Hello, welcome to Enviro Chemicals again. We got a new product called Oxygone. It's basically a hydrogen peroxide based spot cleaner. It's a very good product, so we wanted to put it to the test. We just made it today and we already got some stains on the carpet. We put there about a week ago. We got a coffee, tea and a red wine stain. We're waiting for us to be cleaned. Let's go to the test.
What we're going to need is a bottle of Oxygone. I have just a bucket of water. I've got a Vicodin brush just to agitate, just a clean towel and a dry microfiber cloth. So first thing first, we're going to spray Oxygone on the red wine stain.
That's the red wine. Hydrogen peroxide is an active product, so as soon as you spray it, you can see it's starting to go white already. So it starts working on the stain.
Okay. Now I'm going to get my brush and just give it a little bit of agitation because red wine already penetrated all the way.
Yeah, we put plenty of product on there, so it's gone right through the carpet.
And you can already see from the foam
it's gone
all red, so the product's already actually working. Just going to remove
just
off.
taking all the excess out and just agitating, make sure it's penetrating.
You will actually see it because as you're actually agitating it, you can already see the foam is getting wider and wider. So that means it's actually removing all the wine stain off the carpet.
Yep.
Okay, so that's all done. Now I'm just going to get a dry towel just to remove excess.
Get rid of all the excess foam off the carpet.
And now we're going to get our dry microfiber cloth just to dry the actual carpet.
Beautiful. Not a trace of red wine. Here's our product, Oxygone. Okay, manufactured by Enviro Chemicals, and another amazing product by Enviro Chemicals. As you can see, seeing is believing. The red wine is completely gone. So we're going to do our other test on coffee and tea in a minute.